Asante sana, Professor. Dr. Joachim Osur, the Chairperson, Murang'a University. Asante sana. Professor Nandi, Principal, Kaimosi University College. Asante sana, Professor. Dr. Benedict Mungai, Chair of Council, Kaimosi University College. Asante sana. Professor Egara Kabaji, Principal, Turkana University College. Asante sana, Professor. Professor James Francis Gichuki, representing the Vice Chancellor, Chuka University. Asante sana. Alafu tuna County Commissioner wetu hapa Kakamega. Karibu sana, County Commissioner wetu. Yuko. Alafu County Commissioner kutoka Vihiga. Mwenzetu hapa Vihiga. Tulikuwa naye asubuhi, pengine shughuli za kazi zimemchukua kidogo. Lakini tunarudisheni asante sana. We have apologies, ladies and gentlemen, from the Cabinet Secretary, Dr. Fred Matiang'i, Ministry of Education. Apologies from Professor Peter Mbati, Vice Chancellor, University of Venda. We have apologies from Professor Peter Mbithi, Vice Chancellor from University of Nairobi. We have apologies from Professor Francis Mudhoko, Acting Vice Chancellor, Machakos University. We have apologies from the Vice Chancellor, African International University, and many others. In the interest of time, we will not read all of them, but thank you very much for joining us. Thank you for sending your messages of goodwill. Professor Akenga, Vice Chancellor, Eldoret University, is also here. Asante sana, Professor. Pengine nimesahau mgeni wetu. Pengine nimesahau mgeni. Regional Coordinator pia yuko wa serikali. Asante sana. Asante sana. Regional Coordinator Mr. Mongo. Asante sana sana sana. Hao ndio watu wanatusaidia kuhakikisha chuo kinaendelea vizuri. Asanteni sana. Chancellor Sir, Chancellor of Masinde Muliro University of Science and Technology, Dr. Muthoka, Cabinet Secretary, Minister of Education, Principal Secretary, Ministry of Education, Kakamega County Governor, His Excellency Wycliffe Ambetsa Oparanya, Kakamega Senator, Honorable Cleophas Malala, Area MP, Honorable Titus Khamala, MCS, Regional Commissioner, Mr. Mwongo, County Commissioner, and all other senior civil servants, Chairman of Council, Dr. Jeremy Bundi, and Council members, Vice Chancellors of sister universities and or their representatives, Deputy Vice Chancellors,